Welcome to EWX Professional Training Institute Private Limited, where skills meet success. Summer Camp 2026 registrations are now officially open. This is your opportunity to learn modern digital skills from industry professionals and build a brighter future for yourself. At EWX Learn, we believe practical skills are the key to career success. That's why our expert trainers, with more than 15 years of market experience, train students on real-world projects using the latest tools and technology currently used in the IT. Many more high-demand professional skills. Especially for students who are free after the trick exams, EWX Learning is a certified information technology CIT program where students can learn 9 professional courses in one complete training package. And for students who want long-term professional education, we proudly deliver the Diploma in Information Technology, a complete 1-year to 1.5-year diploma program designed to prepare students for professional careers. EWX Learning also provides paid and unpaid internship opportunities so students can gain practical experience and become job-ready confidence. Our mission is not only to teach courses, our mission is to help students build successful careers, start freelancing, get professional jobs, and become financially independent. Thousands of students have already started the professional journey with EWX Learning. Now it's your turn to upgrade your skills and move towards success. Admissions are now open with up to 60% special discount on the Summer Camp 2026 offers. Don't wait too long, limited seats are available. Visit EWX Learning today and start your journey toward a successful future. Thank you. Regards, Team EWX Learning.